A skill guy. Oh, there's Phaneuf. And Hudler is shaken out to the middle of the ice here. Watch this. Boom. Phaneuf. Knowing Hudler was coming across the middle. Watch this. Head down and boom. Dion Phaneuf can deliver it. And then he gets up and he has to answer the bell. But watch Phaneuf here as Hudler has his head down.
He said, will you
right off the draw, came off the stick to Bristine. Bufflin claims another victim, as he's done a few times tonight, and it was Chris Carson. You're probably not going to injure him. The only thing you want to try to injure is his pride and confidence in ego. And that's when Conger jumps back up.
a phantom to lead you in the summer, to join the Black Parade.
Dropped a little bit of an expletive. It's going to let my head out. Well, he got blindsided. This is a clean hit for Willie Mitchell. This will come down the penalty box. The Blackhawks have to cut the clean, but holy your own zone. Jeez, it doesn't look like it on that one, on that replay. Holy mackerel. He got smoked. He sees him right there, and then he looks away. And he sees him, and it's too late. Perfectly timing it, elbow in, you know. I'd like to see that again, guys, if you could. Little place. The two solid players, though, I mean, you look at his strength with somebody who talks about the injury, thinking it is apparently the worst to get down. It's a great check. Senators brought down Dana now, the center. Boy, I tell you what, you talk about keeping your head up, down, throw the puck in, and bang, gotta go around them. Good open ice hit, and this is something that has been continuous right from... He moves the puck, he knows he has to pay a price to get this puck out of his own zone. He braces for the hit, but sometimes it doesn't matter. And you need to stay within the rules. Lucic, elbows down.
I'm unashamed. I'm gonna show my scar to the chair for all
set up. It looks to be fairly clean. That doesn't make it any easier for Umberger. Look at right there. Head down, didn't get his head up in time for the big timing hit. Brian Campbell's shoulder on the jaw of Umberger. Watch this.